Hello Art Snack friends! Today we're going to be drawing a unicorn, so let's get started. We're going to begin by drawing the eyes. So draw a big dot in the middle of your page for one eye and then another dot for the other eye. Then we're going to draw two little dots for the snout and a cute little smile for the mouth. Great. Now you're going to draw one smile on the top of the left eye like so. And then you're going to draw another smile connecting it and a horn. Did you get that? There. And then you're going to draw another little smile like so right there for the hair and a third smile for the other part of the hair. Easy peasy. This unicorn is going to be so cute. I can't wait to see how it turns out. You're going to continue the hair with these soft, curvy lines like so. And then you're going to do the ears. I think everybody knows how to draw ears, right? Just two simple lines like so. And you're going to draw the inside of the ears as well. There. Now we're going to get started on the face. So a straight line going down and another straight line to match it on the other side. Then we're going to continue that line, curving it a little bit more down. And you're going to finish it off with a straight line for the chin. There. The face is starting to come together. We just need to draw a little snout, a little half circle like this. And then we're going to get started on the body. So a straight line down and another straight line down on the other side. Then we're going to draw two diagonal lines for the legs. And I'm drawing a hoof that's kind of like a square on each side of the leg, or maybe more like a rectangle. But it doesn't have to be perfect. Just see what comes out, and then keep doing the leg with two straight lines and a line going up on one side and another line going up on the other side. We're almost done. We just have two more hooves to go. One little rectangle like that there, and another rectangle like that. So cute. A line going up and a second line to match. Then just a tiny little line for the belly. It's almost done. We're just gonna do the hair now with a curvy kind of slide line. Then a smile, and another smile, and another smile. There, and you guessed it, one last smile. There, and then you're going to draw a line. It's a slide going down, slide down. Nice. And you're almost done. Now we gotta draw a smile for the tail. And a curvy line, a rainbow, and then a smile. And a little S-shaped line, like that for the tail. We're almost done. Just the cute little cheeks left. Two little circles, and you're done. I can't wait to see how you color this. And if you have ideas for what I should draw next, please leave a comment in the video.